Whey protein and collagen are both popular dietary supplements known for their potential health benefits, but they serve different purposes and have distinct properties. Here's a comparison between whey protein and collagen. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about whey protein versus collagen. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Source: whey protein is derived from milk during the cheese-making process. It is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Collagen, on the other hand, is a structural protein found in the connective tissues of animals, such as skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Protein composition: whey protein primarily consists of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, like leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are important for muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Collagen is particularly rich in the amino acids glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and connective tissues. Muscle building and recovery: whey protein is commonly used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts to support muscle building, enhance exercise performance, and aid in post-workout recovery. Its high protein content and amino acid profile make it an effective option for promoting muscle protein synthesis. Collagen, on the other hand, is not as effective as whey protein for muscle building due to its lower content of essential amino acids. Joint and connective tissue health: collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of joints, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. It is often used to support joint health, reduce joint pain, and promote injury recovery. Whey protein may indirectly benefit joint health by supporting muscle development, but collagen is more specific in targeting the connective tissues. Skin health: collagen is widely recognized for its potential benefits for skin health. It contributes to maintaining skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful appearance. Some studies suggest that collagen supplementation can improve skin hydration and elasticity. While whey protein can provide general benefits for overall health, it is not as specifically targeted towards skin health as collagen. Digestibility: whey protein is highly digestible and quickly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-workout protein source. Collagen is also easily digested, and some forms, such as hydrolyzed collagen peptides, are broken down into smaller peptides for better absorption. Ultimately, the choice between whey protein and collagen depends on your specific goals and needs. If you are primarily focused on muscle building, exercise performance, and recovery, whey protein may be more suitable. If you are looking to support joint health, improve skin elasticity, or target connective tissues, collagen supplementation may be a better option. Consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist can help you make an informed decision based on your individual circumstances. Whey protein. Whey protein is a byproduct of cheese production. During the cheese-making process, whey is separated from the curds and processed to extract the protein. It is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain from the diet. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed by the body and has a high bioavailability, which means it is efficiently utilized by the muscles. It is commonly used by athletes and individuals involved in resistance training to support muscle growth, enhance recovery, and optimize exercise performance. Whey protein is rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, particularly leucine, which plays a vital role in muscle protein synthesis and signaling pathways involved in muscle growth. It can be found in various forms such as whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, and whey protein hydrolysate. These forms differ in protein content, lactose content, and manufacturing processes. Whey protein is often consumed in the form of protein shakes, protein bars, or added to smoothies and recipes to increase protein intake. Whey protein is a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts due to its ability to support muscle building and recovery. It is considered a fast-digesting protein, meaning it is quickly broken down and absorbed by the body, leading to a rapid increase in blood amino acid levels. The high levels of leucine found in whey protein stimulate muscle protein synthesis, making it an effective supplement for promoting muscle growth and repair. Whey protein is also known to have a high biological value, which refers to the proportion of ingested protein that is actually utilized by the body for various biological processes. In addition to its muscle-building benefits, whey protein can be a convenient way to increase overall protein intake, especially for individuals who may have higher protein requirements or struggle to meet their daily protein needs through whole foods alone. Some studies suggest that whey protein may have other health benefits, such as supporting weight loss by promoting satiety and aiding in the preservation of lean muscle mass during calorie restriction. It is worth noting that some individuals may be intolerant or allergic to whey protein, experiencing symptoms such as bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort. In such cases, alternative protein sources like plant-based proteins may be more suitable. Collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body and is a major component of connective tissues, including skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. It is primarily sourced from animal products, such as bones, skin, and connective tissues of cows, pigs, chickens, or fish. Collagen provides structural support and helps maintain the integrity, strength, and flexibility of various tissues. The amino acid profile of collagen is unique as it contains a high proportion of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids play crucial roles in collagen synthesis and contribute to its specific benefits. Collagen is commonly used to support joint health and may help reduce joint pain and inflammation. It can contribute to maintaining the structure and function of joints and may assist in the management of conditions such as osteoarthritis. It is also associated with benefits for skin health. Collagen supplementation may improve skin elasticity and hydration and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Collagen is available in various forms, including collagen peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, and collagen powders, which are easily digested and absorbed by the body. It's important to note that while both whey protein and collagen have potential health benefits, they should be used as dietary supplements and not as a replacement for a balanced diet. Collagen supplementation is believed to help replenish collagen levels in the body and may improve skin hydration, firmness, and elasticity. Some studies suggest that collagen peptides can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote skin health. Beyond its benefits for skin, collagen is also recognized for its potential to support joint health. It provides the structural framework for joints, contributing to their smooth functioning and flexibility. Collagen supplementation may help alleviate joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation, particularly in individuals with conditions like osteoarthritis. Some research suggests that collagen peptides can also have positive effects on bone health, potentially enhancing bone mineral density and reducing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.